Yeah,
What up?
it's good.
Nothing.
What you doing?
Playing
So what?
with myself.
Playing with yourself.
Yeah.
Why you not in the, let me see your face. Why you not in the camera?
Why?
I'm just asking.
Mm,
Why you playing with yourself, bro?
Because I like
I
it.
just, I
I
just,
like it.
I'm just here to have a regular convo. Feel me?
Um, Too bad.
Too bad.
Hmm.
You're right. I can't control what you do. That's you. For sure. You do you have fun, you feel me?
You don't want to play?
Nah, no thanks. I'm good.
Mm,
Pre-
okay.
appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good. Appreciate it.
You look like you want.
Nah, I'm good.
Why?
I just, you feel me? I'm not really on that.
You like boys?
No. Why? See, like, why is that always the next question? Like, you feel me? Just out, like, I'm making. See, that's the thing. I'm trying to make the content. They think I'm gay. No, yo, uncle. Yo,
Oh.
what the? Shawty, bro. What you got going on? I ain't complaining. Nah, I'm straight. I'm straight. I'm straight. You feel me? They wildin' on here, bro. Yo, yo, hello, yo. You ain't gonna talk. She just texted. Okay. Yo. What just happened? What just happened? You gotta give me a show? Oh, whoa, oh, 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 oh. Okay, Shotty. Damn. Okay, 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 okay. Damn. Whoa. Okay, that's too much. That's too much. That's too much. Yup.
Hi,
What's good? What's good?
how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
For real. How old are you?
What you? How old am I?
Mhm.
Guess.
I'm not good at that, bro.
Just try. You might get it. Might be your first time. Guess.
18,
Older.
older, 19,
Older.
20.
There you go.
That's it.
That's it. I'm
Oh,
20. How old are you?
we the same age.
Oh, we the same
Yeah,
age.
we twins. So you feel
We
me?
twins.
Yeah,
That's
hell yeah,
good.
hell yeah. What you doing on here?
I'm bored.
Same. But
It's literally the reason why everyone's on here. Just
yeah.
bored.
But for real though, like, did it happen to run into you?
You happen to run into me, and I happen to run into you.
You know what that mean, right?
Tell me.
I gotta get your number.
No. Oh my goodness, Valentine! No, whoa, no!
You gotta get my number. I'm from London though. You ain't able to see me.
How you know that?
You gonna fly out?
You never know. I would.
You would fly out.
Hell yeah.
What's your name?
Amari.
Mark.
Amari.
Amari.
Yeah,
Nice,
but
nice name, Amari.
appreciate it. What's your name?
My name's Elizabeth.
Pretty for sure. Like the
Thank you.
queen.
Oh my goodness, Valentine! No.
Oh yeah,
That's what everyone says. But you can call me Lizzie.
for
That's what
sure,
everyone
for
calls me.
sure. But nah,
Lizzie is what everyone says.
you acting like I won't take that flight. I most def will.
But I'm in university at the moment.
For sure, it's cool. Yo,
Mm.
y'all just got done doing the deed. Yeah, I'm lame as hell. I said the deed. I'm lame, bro.
W's in the shot. W's in the shot.